Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to delete like videos on YouTube. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you're logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube. Then click on lower right corner. Now click on like videos. Now click on the three dots of like video you want to delete. Click on remove the like video. From doing this, you delete the like video of YouTube. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons spinning in wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.